Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Mailchimp audiences from archived segments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore Mailchimp audiences from archived segments, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the Audience tab located on the left side of your dashboard. If you have multiple audiences, select the specific audience you want to work with. Next, click on the Segments option within the chosen audience section. In the Segments view, look for the button or link that says Archived Segments. Click on this option to view all your archived segments. You will see a list of segments that you have archived in the past. Identify the segment you wish to restore from this archive list. Once you've found the segment, click on the segment's name to access its details. In the Segment Details page, locate the Restore button. Click the Restore button to activate the segment again. After restoring, the segment will be moved back to your active segments list. Check your active segments to confirm that the restoration was successful. You can now utilize the restored segment for your email campaigns or further analysis. If needed, update the segment criteria to reflect any changes in your audience strategy. Always remember to review the segment's performance after reactivation. This ensures it aligns with your current marketing goals. With these steps, you successfully restored your Mailchimp audience from archived segments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.